Hi guys, this is Julie Reinhart, and I'm going to show you how to do Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts, first of all, to get here, you come and you type in hangouts.google.com, or if you want to, you come to your little waffle and you look for the Hangouts and click on it, and that's how you are able to join a Hangout. Now, when you're getting level one certification, you only need to know about this messaging one. The phone call and the video call are very interesting, but the only one that you really need to know is the messaging. So I'm going to show you how this works. So to get into a message, you click on it, and then you have to type who you would like to receive the message. So I'm going to send it to my other account, and I'm going to say, hi, Julie. And when I'm done, I got to make sure I send it by pushing enter, and there it is. Now my phone just sent me an alert saying that it was over, it's been received. So I'm going to change my account so you can see what it looks like on the other end. So here's my other account. I click over here, and here it says, hi, Julie. So it did work, awesome. So then I'm going to go back to my Maslin account, and it's loading. So I'm going to click back onto my messages. And where it says, hi, Julie, down here on the bottom of the screen, there's several different things that you can do. We're going to start first with our emoji face. So you can add stickers or emojis. So to do that, you click on it and you push enter, and there it's sent. I can also, if I scroll on the bottom on the right, if I hit the pencil, I can change my color. I can change the thickness of it, and I can draw a picture, but I'm just going to put right or high, and then I'm going to push send. And it's important that you push send, or it does not get over to the other person. Next, I'm going to push the attach photo. So I'm going to come up here to the photos. I'm going to find a photo, and I'm going to click on it, and it turns blue and a check mark. I push select. When I'm done, I have to push the send the attachment, and it's sending, and then it's received. So now I'm going to go back to my other account just so we can see what that looks like. I click on it. I come over here, and that's the picture I selected, and that's my son Parker. I wrote hi, and my smiley face is there as well. And those are just some other things I have there. So once again, I'm going to go back to my Maslin page. And in my Maslin page, I already said that the messaging is the one that you need to make sure that is the most important. Next, right here, if I want to archive, like say I just don't want to see it over here in my box, I click these little buttons, and there's either an archive or delete. You're going to have to archive it on level one. So I'm going to click archive, and then that just means it comes over here in these three dots. And when you click on those three dots, you go to settings, and in settings, you're going to see archives, and then you're going to click on it right here, archive Hangouts. I click on it, and there's my conversation I had earlier. So then within this setting page, so let's go back to how to get there. Come to the three dots, click on it. I come down to settings, and in this settings, there's all kinds of things that you can do. You can show when you're last active, sounds for messages, different things. One thing that I really like is that I can block a person. So let's say somebody is being completely crazy. So I'm going to come down here. Steve is just not being respectful. So I'm going to click my three dots again. So once again, I'm on Steve Ready, and I had to click on him, and that's where this comes. So you come to the little gear, and in the gear are different kinds of things. I don't want to have Steve conversate with my class anymore, so I'm going to push block, and that's going to block him. So he's not going to be able to say anything that we don't want him to do because he's being annoying or just not saying appropriate things. So once again, if you just click on the person, you come to the little gear and then you push block, but I'm not going to block Alice because she is doing everything that she's supposed to do. So another thing that you can do is if you look into these, if I click on this, I can delete it or archive it, like I said, and then I can also, I just want to delete it from this. So I'm going to delete it, and that's just going to delete it from my page here so that I don't need to have that conversation anymore with whomever I'm having it with. So, another thing that we can do is I can add a person right here. I have Alice up. So if I want to add a person, I can add, let's say, Lindsay Meismer, and I can do that by typing her name in, putting her email, and then I could create this group. So once I create this group, I can click on the two people, and then I can add more people. I can do just about anything once I did that. So if I want to name it, once again, you're going to need to know, you're going to want to know how to name. So I created the group by hitting the person. So now on this one, you can see I have two. Then come to your gear. I'm going to hit the hangout name, and I'm going to call this technology group because these are the two ladies I work with all the time. I push OK. I'm going to close out of it. I'm going to come back over here, and you can see the technology group was made with two people. That is all you're going to need to know for level 1. Just remember that anytime you see 3 dots, you know there's more to be done. Well, here's 3 dots. You know that it can do a couple things with it. So you need to know messaging. You need to know how to block a person. You need to know how to archive it, the conversation, and delete the history. So right now, I don't want this. So I'm going to delete the history, or I'm going to leave it first. And then it deleted my history for me because I don't like a whole bunch of people here on my new conversations. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.